Good morning from the beautiful mountains of Cleveland, Georgia.
Yes, good morning.
Late nights on the sofa, chilling, watching TV, doing nothing with you. Doing nothing with you.
Hey everybody, get to meet Remy. Remy, say hi. Say hi to the folks. He's with us this trip. Sometimes we take him, sometimes we don't. He's kind of funny about where he goes to the bathroom, so it's hard to walk him. He doesn't like pebbles. He likes to have a fence in area, so he doesn't like to be watched. Stopped for a while here in northern Georgia. It's really pretty and it's nice and cool. Oh man, feels good. Wait, you're tripping. Okay. Oh, wait, we don't go in an ant pile. Look how pretty. Landscape has certainly changed. Very hilly. Nice rest stop. There's the old girl. Got the car out this time. Isn't it pretty and green? The driver had to go potty, so we stopped. You guys can't see it, but there's a great big old spider web right up there. So we are going to turn around and go back the other way. Let's go. Come on. Come on, Ram. We don't mess with big old spider webs. Come out of the ant pile. They came out quick. Let me hold on to him so I can show y'all. All he did was step in it. Can y'all see that? Look at that. He just stepped in it for 30 seconds. Those red ants will tear you up. Sting. Whew. All right, you finished? Because you're out here causing trouble. You done? Ram, you done? Come on, let's go back.
Late nights on the sofa, chilling, watching TV, doing nothing with you. Doing nothing with you. Yeah, I'm so thankful for everything that life has been putting me through. Cause now I get to be with you. I think I'm falling in love with you. With you, with you. I'll do whatever you want me to do. Cause I've never felt like this before. And I want you even more. I think I'm falling in love with you. With you, with you. Still can't believe I get to fall asleep with you in my bed. With you in my bed. Cause all my life I've been worried that I'll never find the one. But you proved me wrong.
So we just want you guys to see the site that we have and what we have to do. That's kind of why it's important to know, maybe get a map ahead of time. So our awning is here on this side, okay? And they have us doing a pull through, okay? But that means that our chairs and everything and our awning would be out this way, right? And here's our neighbor with their hookup stuff. And then here's where we're supposed to, I guess, sit and be and have our fire pit. But the hookups for the camper is on this side. So that really doesn't make much sense. So if you come to Leisure Acres, do not get the pull-through site 58 because A, it's also right here by the park, and B, it's just a very strange setup. So we're gonna unhook the car, we're going to back it down, and then turn the camper around the other way, and hopefully our connections are long enough to reach the hookup stuff. Electricity, the sewer, the water, and so on. So it's a bit of a hassle. You know, it's just one of those things. So you live and learn. All right, I'm gonna go so I can back the car out.
The weather is 50 right now. Feel like temperature is 47. So we really appreciate this because where we live, the temperatures in the morning are around 78, 80, high humidity. Here this morning, there's no humidity. So it is really lovely to come outside with some coffee, my early morning coffee, and just kind of enjoy it. And believe me, I am. So today is a football day, as you can see. I'm a big football fan, big Giants fan. So I'm probably going to watch a little football today, but we are going to get out and try to get down to Helen today and go see Helen and go see, maybe try to see some of the other cities depending on how far they are. So we'll see how the day goes. But originally today was supposed to be a football day, but we got in late yesterday. A little bit longer drive than what we thought, and we left a little bit later than what we thought, as usual for the Ollies. So we got here later, we set up, and basically we went and grabbed something to eat and kind of watched a little TV, watch a little YouTube, and went to sleep. So today we're going to try to explore. I'm still going to try to get my football in, and we'll go from there. All right, so hope everyone out there is enjoying their morning. I'm enjoying mine, and we will see you in a little bit. Here we are. I had to go up to the main office because we got in so late last night, they were closed. So the lady on the phone said, well, I'll just come in the morning. So I get there this morning, they're closed on Sunday, so they don't open up till 2 o'clock. So I guess I'll be back at 2 o'clock. But this is a gorgeous day. A little breezy, beautiful sky. No humidity whatsoever. See, some people are getting ready to pull out. I have a nice lake here that you can fish. I wish I would have brought my fishing pole, and I looked at it in the garage and said, I should have did more research. I did not realize that there was a lake here that you could go fishing in. It's catch and release, of course, but at least I could have thrown something in the water. So now I'm walking back, and I guess I'll just probably go out sightseeing, see some things. And come come back and I'll watch the G-Men. So laundry facilities. And I guess if you get mail here, if you're here for a long stay, you can have mail sent here. Good morning, how you doing? Nice laundry facility. Don't quite know what this is. Maybe like an activity room or something, but it's probably closed because of COVID still. Even a lot of things are opening up still. Everyone's trying to weather COVID. Oh, look at that. I don't know if you can see it. It's a bird's nest built up there. I don't know if it's active, but I'll leave it alone in case there's an angry mama bird. Very nice, very nice. I'm very pleased that we picked this campground. We actually got a recommendation from one of the YouTube followers that we follow. They had stayed here and highly recommended it, so we decided to try it out. And you're not going to believe this. We are actually in the site right next to that same YouTube person that we follow. I will mention their name. I'm gonna ask them first. I'm new to this YouTube and stuff, so I don't know the etiquette or the protocol about using other YouTubers' names or giving that information out. I'm sure he won't mind, but just to be safe, I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna ask him ahead of time.
Well, unbeknown to us, right next to us was Jerry and Joan from I Love RV Life. So we got to meet them, talk to them, get great tips from them. What a pleasure meeting them. Honestly, very nice people. Jerry actually even gave us one of his stickers, and it's the first sticker we've ever put on our RV. Thank you, Jerry. We hope to see you down the road.
Here's the lake I was talking about. Actually just saw a fish jump up out the water over there. So there are fish in here. You can see there's actually 2 people over there fishing now. Now I'm really jealous. They have piped in music coming out of the lake. Soft music. It's really nice. I guess it's coming out from over by the fountain. There's another fish jumped up out of the water. Okay, correction. That's not coming from the fountain. Looks like they have a religious or church set up across the way. I guess maybe where they do Sunday morning services from time to time, I guess during the season, and the music is coming from there. So it's actual Christian or gospel music that's actually playing. Ducks are very active this morning. Who wouldn't be on such a gorgeous day though? Seriously? This is out of control how gorgeous this is. Alright, so that's pretty much the campground. I'm going to continue my walk and go back. And today, get ready for some football. Hope everybody enjoys their day too. Whether you like football or not, I like football, so I'm gonna enjoy some football. All right. So I'll just really quick show everyone our setup. Chairs, fire pit, grill. The only thing with this site, we're in site number 58. We had to come in the opposite way. Normally you come in and your hookups are on your backside, but that actually put us facing the wrong way. So it was suggested that we come in the other way. So now I just had to run all the lines underneath the RV. Works okay, except for my sewer line. I don't think I have enough sewer line, so sometime today I'm gonna go get a extension hose. I probably needed it anyway. Go pick up an extension hose and bring it out here to the sewer line hookup. So yeah, that's it.
Well, I think this is a great spot to end this video. Stay tuned for our part 2 of Cleveland, Georgia, Helen, Georgia. Now enjoy some of the aerial footage I took while I'm flying the drone.
Thank you for joining us on our trip to Cleveland, Georgia. Please stay tuned for part 2 when we actually head into Helen and we bring you a Cabbage Patch surprise.
And don't forget, if you like this video, click that thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscription bell if you'd like to see more content.
Now it's time for us to get to getting.
Get to getting. Breaking news, this just in.
Did you notice our new logo? Please let us know if you like it.
Yes, give us any comments, thoughts, suggestions.